because he was Paka Brahmin, South Indian Brahmin, Bhatta. Gopal Bhatta Goswami. He was a Goswami, never entered Grihastha life, always Goswami, renounced. Brahmachari then sannyas. So he was doing his puja, and during this time, of course, Rupa Goswami, he started worshipping Radha Govinda Dev, and Jiva was worshipping Damodarji, and Sanatan was worshipping Adan Mohan. He was worshipping his shalagrams, and the puja they were doing was very nice, beautiful shringar, and nice mukut, and mayur, and so one time, one very rich man, he came to Gopal Bhatta and he gave him some shringar, some vesh, some mukut and some vesh. Very beautiful, jari vesh, gold, nice murli and all nice things. So in the mood of Vaishnava, the Dati Pratigrinati, he accepted that charity. Yes, I will take. So he took. But he's thinking, my shalagram, my Krishna is this big. He's just this big. My little Krishna, my little shalagrams. Shalagrams, the smaller they are, the more beautiful they are, the more powerful they are. Very small, very beautiful. He says, my shalagram is only this big, but my mukut is this big. So much vesh I have, and shringar. Anyway, I will give to Rupa Goswami. I will give to my Guru Dev. I will give this done. So, but in the night, that night, it was Nrsimha Chaturdasi. In May, it comes in May, we just had Nrsimha Chaturdasi, the appearance of Lord Nrsimhadev. So he was thinking, how wonderful it is, how amazing, adbhuta, how astounding it is that Prahlad Maharaj had such faith. There's two great qualities of Prahlad Maharaj, bhakti and shraddha. Shraddha and bhakti. He had faith and devotion. Of course, practically they are synonymous, they are the same. But there's some difference in degree. When Shraddha matures and increases, it becomes Bhakti. When Bhakti matures, it becomes Prema. It becomes Bhavan and Prema. So they're very much related, this faith and Bhakti.